I can't wait for the sun when them sundresses gon' come on out. Living all the way in the west, but the Georgia peach make me feel down south. See you in the streets, believe I'ma go ahead and reach on out. Cause I done peeped you on the ground, goddamn, you just made another fan, yeah. Used to curving plenty niggas, if I wasn't for you, baby, I ain't nervous.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove my false nails safely. So I'm just showing you guys that I have 2 nail files, a cuticle pusher, a cuticle cutter, 100% acetone that I got from Walmart, and then I have a glass full of warm water with another glass with acetone in it, and the warm water actually just helps speed up the process of the acetone breaking down the stuff that you put on your nails, which is like the acrylic. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my thumb and submerge it in the acetone. I'm going in with my cuticle pusher, and I'm just going to be using this to kind of scrape off the nail polish that's on the nail, just so the acetone is able to penetrate the acrylic better. After soaking for a while, I'm just going to take out my nail, and as you can see, there's like a little white area at the tip, and that just lets you know that it's loosened up a little bit. So then you can go in with that cuticle pusher and kind of like lift at those areas. But if you feel like it's forcing, just leave it alone and then go ahead and stick your thumb or whatever finger back into the acetone to soak some more. Also, for the sake of time, I definitely spliced this video. I do not want you guys to think that something's wrong if your nails aren't coming off in 3 seconds flat like on this video. That is not actually what's happening. I'm just showing you guys, of course, in fast mode for the sake of time. But after it's off a substantial amount, I went ahead and like kind of fanned my hand so it would dry, and then I'm going in with the fine side of the nail file, and I'm just going to get the excess off as much as I can. And if I need to, I'll go in with that rough side just to get it down a little bit faster. But if you have any extra residue, go ahead and stick it back in the acetone to soften it up a bit before continuing to file. I'm just going to be using a lint-free cotton swab, or not cotton swab, but cotton pad with some acetone on it, and I'm just going to put this over my nails just to make sure I get off all the excess nail polish and any excess dust from the filing that I did. I get a lot of hangnails, so I'm just going to go in with this cuticle cutter and snip those off before I show you guys the last couple of steps. I'm going in with this buffer, I think that's what it's called, but just to pretty much smooth out the little rough parts of my nail that I of course could not do with the nail file. So I'm just going to go ahead and smooth out my nails before I use a acetone cotton pad to wipe off that excess dust, and then I will be ready to put my little clear nail polish on. I'm using this Revlon Multi-Care base and top coat, and this is just some cuticle oil that I got from Sally's. So I'm just going to apply 2 coats of this nail polish before putting on the cuticle oil, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and definitely subscribe and join the fam. I'm trying to show y'all how we do stuff ourselves. You know, say that coin. Y'all already know what we doing on this channel. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.